Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.5, Problem 15. This is Section 1.5, Problem 15. It says Elaine has a board that is 200 centimeters long. She cuts off 68 centimeters to use for a shelf. Which of the following is closest to how long the remaining piece of board is? And we have four choices: 100 centimeters, 110 centimeters, 120 centimeters, 130 centimeters. So we start with a board that is 200 centimeters long. 68 centimeters is removed. So just as an estimate, that's pretty close to 70, which makes the math easier. So if you start with a board that's 200 centimeters long, you remove 70, or approximately 70, you're left with approximately 130, which is close to D. Now, because it wasn't really 70, it was 68, it's going to be pretty close to that. That's not an exact answer. It's an estimate. But the answer is option D. It's close to 130 centimeters, what's left.